Okay, I want to show everybody how to create lists on Twitter. What I'm going to do is go right up here to my name. I will click on it and it'll show me my profile page. So when it goes to this profile page, I'm going to go down here where it says lists and click on that. And what it's going to show you here are 3 lists that I've actually already created, and I've set them at private lists. So if I click on this one, you'll be able to see the list members that are already here. These are people who teach at Hoover High School, so I've left them here. I'm going to go back. I just clicked on the back button up on the browser, and wanted to go back to list to show you how to create a list. For some reason, as I'm looking at Twitter here, my little button to create list has disappeared. So I'm going to click another link and come back to it. There we go. It came back in. So I'm going to click Create List. And for this list, I'm going to type motivation. There are several people that I follow on Twitter who just really provide a source of motivation for me. So I'm going to title this motivation, and I'm going to set it to private. So this is just for me to see, and no one else can access this list. So after I choose private, I'm going to click on Save List. What I do next is I go back to my profile. I'm just going to click here on my name, or I can click on Home and then click Profile. But I'll go here to Following, people that I follow, and this is where I'm going to assign them to the particular list that I want to find them on. And this is a real easy way to sort your followers if you really want to look at just the people who, like for my list, I have certain people that I want to look at to learn more about. It's my personal learning network, or people that work at Hoover High School where I work, then I would be able to see them. And Twitter's a little bit slow this morning, having some difficulty. What I always do is I just click on another link and then I go back to the one that I want. But it's looking like it's having a little trouble this morning. So I'm going to go up to my browser's main refresh button and refresh the page, and hopefully that will go in. So we get, okay. One of the easiest ways that I found to do this is just to scroll down through the people that I follow, and I've actually already assigned these first few. So I come down to, for example, Myra Miles works at Hoover High School. So I'm going to click on this button here, little drop-down box, and there's a choice that says Add or Remove from List. So I will click on that button, and I'm going to choose to include her on the HHS list that I've created. And I will continue to go down through these members and sort the people that I'm following into their particular list. I'll come back to those a little bit later. George Kuros, he is someone I've selected to be a part of my personal learning network, so I'm going to add or remove him to PLN. And that's in my own head. I think of that as my education personal learning network. And so as I scroll down, Tom Whitby, again, someone that I would include on my personal learning network. Okay, so I can go through and sort all my people that I follow into lists. So when I open lists again, and for example, when I open PLN, then I'm going to see tweets only from those people who are members of that particular list. Right now, of course, you see a bunch from Tom Whitby, and you're going to see a lot from George Kuros, because those only have a few members in there right now. If I go to another list, then, for example, HHS, then I'll see tweets from those people who are a member of that particular list. And this is a great way to organize the people that you follow. If you follow them for particular reasons, for your own personal learning networks, for different areas, then you can sort them and keep them organized. I've found this just to be an easy way to organize that.